Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about family and relationship. Family, when seen through the eyes of a quiet and awakened soul, is not merely a place to return to after a long tiring day. It is a painting, a masterpiece lovingly created by God, brushed with colors of love, sacrifice, and connection. In that painting, each person is a unique stroke. Some are bright, vibrant shades of joy, others are deep, quiet tones of endurance. Yet together they form something whole, something meaningful, a work of art that cannot be replaced. And yet it is often those very brush strokes, the people themselves, who unintentionally begin to damage the beauty of that painting. Jealousy, pride, resentment, and unspoken misunderstandings. These are like dark stains spreading across a once harmonious canvas. A careless word, a cold glance, a silence at a wrong moment, each can create a crack. At first, it may seem small, almost invisible, but left unattended, it grows slowly, weakening the integrity of the entire picture. There are families that from the outside appear complete, even happy. They share a home, a table, a name, but within there are invisible distances. Hearts drift apart quietly until one day they no longer know how to find their way back to each other. And perhaps the saddest truth is this: sometimes they stop trying. Life does not pause, it moves forward like a river that never turns back. If we cling to old wounds, to past hurts, and silent grudges, they become barriers, walls that block a natural flow of love. Day by day, those walls grow taller, thicker, until we can no longer see each other clearly, no longer hear each other's hearts. So what do? The wisdom of those who came before us offers simple, timeless guidance, not in complex theories, but in lived truth. Quote, "You a little, and the storm will pass." End quote. Harmony is more precious than victory. Words cost nothing. Choose them with care. These sayings may sound ordinary, but they carry a quiet power to preserve a family. In a family, no one is perfect. Each person carries their own ego, their own pain, their own hidden struggles. So the question is not who is right or wrong, but who is willing to place love above pride. There will be moments when you are absolutely right, but your rightness wounds someone you love. Does it still hold the same value? There will be moments when silence becomes wisdom, not because you are wrong, but because you choose peace over proving a point. Forgiveness is one of the most beautiful principles we are given. It does not mean forgetting everything nor pretending nothing happened. It means choosing not to let the past control your heart. When you forgive, you do not only free the other person, you free yourself. Sometimes healing does not come from long explanations. It comes from small, sincere gestures, a warm family meal, a gentle question, the quiet hand resting on another. Love rarely lives in grand declarations. It lives in the smallest, truest moments. Family does not need to be perfect. It only needs to be filled with love. Remember this: when we leave this world, we do not take our wealth or achievements with us. What remains are the memories, the moments of love we share, the times we choose each other despite everything. So do not let small resentments destroy something as sacred as family. Do not let pride cause you to lose the people who matter most. If your family painting has cracks, do not lose hope. With a little humility, a softer word, an open heart, those cracks can be mended. The brush can move again, the color can return, and perhaps after all the breaking and healing, the painting becomes even more beautiful, not because it is flawless, but because it now holds depth. It carries the color of growth, understanding, and forgiveness. Family, in the end, is not a place without wounds. It is a place where wounds are healed by love. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy it. Please help me to click like and subscribe.